Hello my friends, this is the new Wi-Fi doorbell. So first, this appearance is different. This is the other one, just connect the cable. Okay, this one with this password screen, and this have RG45 port. Okay, this is more beautiful. Okay, so how to use? Actually, is mostly the same, but just a little we need to change. Okay, so it's same. So first we need to connect this hotspot. So you find this is I don't find this is the hotspot. First we connect. This is for iPhone, so Android is different, more easier. So I think first I show this one. Okay, and do the pairing. And this is the key. Okay, clear pairing. So it's very fast. Okay, so just pair. I'll connect.
Pairing success.
Okay, you see this is now a success. So let's testing. Hello? Hello? And you see this photo is very clear. Very good. So, and this is the password how to use. So this the initial password is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. So you see this D 2D. Can you hear? So try again. 1 2 3 4 5 6. You see that? Is the one DG. So this is open this e-lock. The e-lock house connection is same because I have take videos show how to connect the Wi-Fi doorbell wireless video door front is same connection. So you can check my the video, the first video. Okay, so and I show you how to change the password. Change the password. So click here. Click here. This one. Okay, this is change this password. The initial password is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we change 4 5 6 5 8 9. Okay, so okay, this Chinese part is same. I will introduce. So now it's change password. 5 6. You see to delete. Okay, so with somebody, let's try. Okay, open this. Hello? Hello? Yeah. Good. Take a photos. This is take video. Okay. And if someone not here, but I say this password, you also can open this lock like this. You see that? Can you hear that?
Password setting incorrect.
Wait a moment. Right? So this is opening this lock, and you see my phone always like this. This is tell you someone is opening this lock. Okay, this lock is same connection, so it's very easy and it's new.